In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create scrolling text in Canva. Whether you're designing a captivating video intro or adding a dynamic element to your social media graphics, scrolling text can make your project stand out. Let's dive right in and explore how to create this effect in Canva from start to finish. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Canva homepage. This is where you'll access the full suite of Canva's design tools. If you're not familiar with Canva, I'm happy to let you know that it's a versatile platform with plenty of resources, both for beginners and advanced designers. Once you're on the homepage, look for the video option and click on it. This will allow you to work with moving elements, which are perfect for creating scrolling text. After clicking on video, you'll need to select your template size. Depending on what platform you're designing for, Canva offers several options, whether you need a square format for Instagram or a widescreen layout for a YouTube video. Once you've chosen the size that fits your project, it's time to add some color to your canvas. Clicking on the background will give you the option to change the color to one you prefer, which is a useful way to ensure your text stands out. A darker background, like black, can make lighter text colors really pop. With your background set, the next step is crafting your text. Select Insert Text, and you'll find preset text options that you can use. Choosing the right font and size is crucial for readability, especially when it's moving. So go ahead and adjust the size to your liking. Resizing is simple in Canva. Just click on the text box and drag the corners until you're happy with the appearance. Now that your text is set, it's time to create the scrolling effect. Start by copying your text and pasting it multiple times across your background. This will create the repetition needed for a smooth scroll. Once you have enough copies, reposition them to ensure they are aligned as you'd like. Remember to group the text boxes when you're satisfied with their placement. This can be done by selecting all text boxes and clicking on the Group button, which keeps them aligned during animation. Next, you're going to create the actual animation. Head over to the Animate option and click on Create an Animation. Here, you'll drag your group text box in the direction you want it to animate. Canva offers different movement styles, so explore these to find one that fits your design vision. Selecting Steady can give you a seamless scrolling feel. Finally, once your animation looks perfect, click Done to complete the process. There you have it, a professional-looking scrolling text effect ready to enhance your video or graphic design in just a few quick steps. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!